Alright, hi everyone, welcome back. Now before we get started this week, just remember to subscribe for more weekly videos. I do weekly videos on Trading 212 platform here in the UK. And yeah, let's get into the video. Now, it's been a couple of weeks since we've updated the portfolio. Been a bit busy and, just life gets in the way really. But yeah, there's been quite a few changes since the last video. Now, as you can see, the portfolio is up a really decent amount, 16%. So I thought what I'd do is I'd start with showing you what's been going on. Now, I saw an opportunity with Bitcoin last week. So rather than chuck more money in, I thought I'd, clear out some positions that and take profit in them really what had just been sat there. So sold iShares S&P 500, so Glaxo, Legal and General, Unilever, what else? Sold out of Intel, just almost averaged that down, so only made a very, very tiny loss. Again, now Intel was going to be one for the future for the next couple of years, but there has been a few developments in that sort of sector, and really sort of the M1 chip from Apple made me a little bit nervous with the Intel sort of thing. And also it's more like, do I want £750 parked in a company that really, do I really believe in that's going to make me 10-20%? I don't think they are. So yeah, so Pepsi, so Procter & Gamble, MasterCard, Uber, Visa. So what would have been buying? So yeah, Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin, I've been buying Bitcoin for the last 4 years. Yeah, 4 years. And only until recently I found out I could buy it through my ISA, which to me is a dream come true, really, because obviously it's tax-free. So with the Thanksgiving coming up, I could see an opportunity was going to be arising, and I'd buy Bitcoin every month, but what I do is I just buy the dips. But from now on, I'll be buying the dips via Trading 212. So as we can see here, there was the dip on Thanksgiving itself, really. So the UK market was open, or the European market, so I could buy, and without having to put more cash in, just thought I'd sell a few positions, and then instantly we had a decent bounce back. So we're already up like 11% in that one, which is fantastic, really. Really, really good gains, and to me this is something I believe in, and that's really important to me as well, that my money is invested in things that I truly believe in. So we'll check the biggest holding, which obviously is Tesla, and again this comes down to, this is a company that I believe in for the future. As you can see, the price there, $596. It'd be really nice to see that tick over $600. It will do at some point. We'll just have to see how it reacts nearer the time to the date that it gets added to the S&P 500. But as you can see, we're up like 1,100 quid near enough. And, really my strategy was, originally I was building dividends and things like that. And then I was thinking, I've got quite a lot of time left. I know a little bit about investing, and I'm quite happy to take risks to get decent returns. And, a lot of those other companies that I sold out of, realistically, the returns are not going to be that good, in the short term. When we look at these sort of companies, these massive growth companies, and the potential they've got, it's a no-brainer to me. And, really, how long would it have took for me to earn that money in dividends stuff with, that sort of money invested? It's crazy, really. So as you can see at the top, it's Tesla 2X there. Now, I could see when Tesla had a dip, it dipped up to $558 or something like that. I just thought, let's just put some money in. Let's just put some money in here. That's when the dip happened there. let's put some money in here, 2x, so it's 2 times leverage. So, obviously it's 2 times the profit, but it's also 2 times the loss. So if it goes down 10%, he's going down twice as much, essentially. Yeah, but to me, again, that's just a speculative one. I'm just going to play around with that. But I will be adding to that over the next few weeks when there's a dip. Again, with Bitcoin, as we've mentioned. I did also add Salesforce, CRM. Now, I've done a lot of investing into this company, and I'm quite bullish on this for the future. I quite like sort of who their customers are. I quite like what their business model is, and the trends for the future regarding sort of things that they deal with look very, very good. And they work with a lot of governments as well, which is good because governments don't really argue over the price of things these days. So that's very, very good. The strategy for the future now is sort of try and maximise growth, as well as having some of these monthly paying dividend sort of companies. So like Store Capital, Stag Industrial, Shaw Communications, LTC, wherever they are. These sort of companies here. So we're going to get some monthly income, and then get, into these higher growth sort of opportunities. So that's sort of the strategy for the future, really. And I'm quite happy taking more risk. And, you might see we'll go into the red sometimes and things like that, but I'll just start adding more capital to the portfolio when these things happen. I just thought I'd give everyone a quick update. I hope everybody's doing well. And, speak to you all soon.